Blasting of the limestone is carried out weekly using pumped emulsion explosives. The blasted material is then transported to the crushing plant. The purpose of the crushing plant is to reduce the size of the limestone to a suitable size for processing. The crushed material is then conveyed past an online analyzer to a limestone store, where stone from the different faces is blended. Shale, which contains a high concentration of silica, and smaller amounts of alumina and iron, is hauled by road from nearby quarries. Overburden from the quarry is blended with the shale. Once the essential raw materials have been quarried and crushed on site, they are moved to separate storage areas. Limestone consists almost entirely of calcium carbonate. Shale and overburden contain a high proportion of silica. The crushed raw materials of limestone and the silica-bearing shale and overburden are blended in proportions of 4:1 approximately. Small quantities of bauxite and iron oxide are added to optimize the chemistry, and the mixture is milled to a fine powder in the raw mills. This powder, known as raw meal, is blended by aeration in homogenizing silos before being passed into storage silos. The kiln is the heart of the cement plant. State-of-the-art manufacture of cement today is carried out in dry process rotary kilns. These have a preheater section to initiate calcination of the raw material before it enters the main rotary kiln. The hot gases from the kiln outlet are utilised to preheat and partly calcine the kiln feed in a tower of heat exchange cyclones. The rotation of the kiln conveys the powder towards the firing zone. Formation of calcium silicates, which are the key components in cement, is completed as the molten material reaches 1450 degrees centigrade. The output of the burning process in the kiln is cement clinker, which must now be cooled. The clinker is milled in cement mills. A small proportion of gypsum is underground with the clinker to control the rate at which cement sets. Cement mills have high efficiency separators which optimize power consumption. Unburnt limestone is also now introduced to the mills in the production of new, lower carbon intensity cements. The control room is located in the centre of the works. Here, hourly checks of composition are carried out on all stages of the cement manufacturing process. This ensures that the cements produced are of the highest quality and meet the standards set by Irish Cement and those expected by customers. Cement leaves in bulk and bagged form, with approximately 85% going to our bulk customers for the production of concrete, mortar and blocks. Bulk cement is mainly transported by road, and the automatic driver loading system allows 24-hour loading. Our bagged cements are transported on pallets, which are specially stretch-wrapped for product protection and ease of handling.